An Israeli court has decided not to delay the corruption trial of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, despite a request from former United States President Donald Trump to dismiss the case. In an apparent rebuff to Trump's efforts to save his close Middle East ally, the Jerusalem District Court denied Netanyahu's request to postpone his testimony, which he claimed was necessary to focus on security issues amid ongoing conflict with Iran. Netanyahu, who has been trying to have the case dismissed for years, received support from Trump on Wednesday. Trump described the trial as a witch hunt and insisted that it should be canceled immediately. On Truth Social, Trump expressed his surprise that Israel, which he described as having recently experienced one of its greatest moments in history under Netanyahu's leadership, would continue what he called a ridiculous witch hunt against its great wartime prime minister. Trump further suggested that Netanyahu's trial should be canceled or that a pardon should be granted to him, praising Netanyahu as a hero who has done much for Israel. Trump also emphasized the role of the United States in supporting Israel and expressed his belief that America should now come to Netanyahu's aid. Netanyahu is currently facing charges of fraud, breach of trust, and bribery in Israel, all of which he denies. The trial began in 2020 and involves 3 separate cases. The first alleges that Netanyahu received valuable gifts from wealthy businessmen in exchange for favors. The second case claims he made a questionable deal with a newspaper publisher to undermine a rival publication in return for favorable coverage. The third accusation involves him allegedly favoring the Bezek telecommunications company for positive coverage on a website owned by the company. Netanyahu has pleaded not guilty to all charges and has found an ally in Trump, who also claims to have been the target of a political witch hunt after being indicted in 4 separate criminal cases last year. Only one of those cases went to trial, resulting in Trump being found guilty of 34 counts of falsifying business records related to a scandal involving an adult film actress. Trump's intervention in Netanyahu's legal proceedings has caused unease among some political leaders in Israel, despite their appreciation for American support in their conflict with Iran. Yair Lapid, leader of the Yes Added party, criticized what he saw as interference in the legal process. Gilad Kariv, a parliamentarian from the Democrats' party, emphasized that Jewish tradition teaches that no one is above the law, a sentiment echoed by American Democrats regarding Trump before he regained the presidency. In her statement rejecting Netanyahu's request to delay his testimony, Justice Rivka Friedman-Feldman noted that the request did not provide a detailed basis or reason that would justify canceling evidentiary hearings.